Why do you say you kiss the ground I walk on? Never to be killed. I'm so tired. If I could just rest. Rest. I'm a seagull. No, that's not it. I'm an actress. Doesn't matter. So he's here too. Doesn't matter. He didn't believe in the theatre. He laughed at my dreams, and little by little I stopped believing myself. I lost heart. I became trivial and commonplace. I stopped acting without thinking or feeling. I didn't know what to do with my hands. You can't imagine what it's like to know you're acting badly. I am a seagull. Do you remember that seagull you shot? You left it at my feet. And he came and said, I have an idea, the subject for a short story. A girl, like yourself, lives all her life by the shores of a lake. She loves the lake, like a seagull. But a man comes along, and because he has nothing better to do, destroys her.